away.
Hello everyone, we are a bunch of graduate students specializing in information security, mobility and software engineering. But there's one thing common between us, we are hungry all the time. So we find most of the applications that are there in the market are not suitable for our requirements. For example, Divya a few days back had a craving in the morning that she wanted to eat roasted pepper chicken. There are not many places where you can go and search online and get the roasted chicken pepper which is close by and which is highest rated by the customers. She has to call her friends, but that is the tedious process. So we built a very simple application wherein we get this data of itemized ratings by customers. So we'll show a client-side application which is running on iPhone on a HTML5 device. This is called Eat What. So there you just type in roasted chicken and then you do a search. And then you can get results back telling that where it is 5-star and where it is rated as 4 stars and other places. So this data to gather is a little difficult because customers have to go offline and then enter this. So we have an application deployed on the restaurants where customers will do this without having to go offline and check out. So this application is called as Eat This, and let me demo it.
Okay, so I'm completely opposite to Divya. I don't do any research before going to the restaurant. So how awesome it would be if I just go to a restaurant and I can see an HTML application running directly on my on the table that I sit, which shows what are the most trending items of that particular restaurant. So I go to a restaurant and the menu is sorted with the most trending items on the restaurant. So I'll just quickly go through the order process. So probably I might want to add 3 triple dippers, and I can add to the order, and I can see that there are different items populated in the order. I can click on the order, and so I can just review my order, and okay, I'll place the order. Okay, so it says the order went through, and I can just rate and pay. The most important screen in this entire application is this screen, which features our idea wherein customers can give ratings right there on the Android device. So the important thing here is the customers can derive value. If they really don't like an item, they can get discounts right there, and merchants can get to know the feedback of each of the items right there. And we have also integrated something called split and pay, wherein right on the table they might want to split the bill amongst themselves and pay using PayPal or any other third party.
Very much. Eat what? So now when you go out, you know what to eat. Now, Morpher. Where's Morpher?